Hello again. We're going to look at an application of rational functions, and you will just be tickled pink to know that it takes much less time to do this problem than to graph. But don't get discouraged on your graphing, because remember, I was talking through it and explaining. It will not take you as long to work each problem once you get going on it. But let's go back to the business at hand of looking at an application. A company that manufactures jeans has a daily fixed cost of $600, and it costs $9 to make each pair of jeans. Let's think a minute. What does that mean? If I make one pair of jeans, I have to pay my $600 up front for no telling what, for rent, for heat and cooling, maybe for employees. But then once I make a pair of jeans, I have to add $9, so the first pair of jeans cost me $609. The second pair on a given day costs me $600 plus 2 times 9, which is $618. Well, what if I go on down and make X pairs of jeans? That'll be 600 plus X times 9, or we usually write that as 9X plus 600. And that's what we want right here, the cost function C of making X pairs of jeans. So our cost is 9X, $9 for each pair of jeans, plus the $600 fixed cost, and to get it in function notation, we'll say C of X rather than C. Okay, next we want to get the average cost function. Let's think. Let's say if we made 2 pairs of jeans for $618, I would divide by 2 to get the average cost per pair, and that would be $309 is the average cost per pair. Whereas for the first pair it costs $609, for the next pair it decreases the average cost. And you can see that average cost will go down as we make more jeans. What did we put up here though? We put the cost of making 2 pairs of jeans and divided by 2 pairs of jeans to get the average cost per pair of jeans. So C bar, representing the average cost function, is our cost of making X jeans. And since we've made X jeans, we'll divide by X to get the average. And then we'll say C bar of X to get it in function notation. So C bar of X is 9X plus 600 divided by X. Next, we want to find C bar of 400, C bar of 800, and C bar of 2,000. So let's write our C bar down again. Our C bar was 9X plus 600 divided by X. So C bar of 400 says we will say 9 times 400 plus 600 divided by our X is 400. So we'll get 3,600 plus 600 divided by 400. That equals 4,200 divided by 400. I'm going to divide by 10 again, and I have 42 divided by 4, which is 10.5. So C bar of 400 is 10.5. We need to interpret it now. That implies that the average cost of making 400 pairs of jeans is $10.50. The average cost, let's say per pair. The average cost per pair of making 400 pairs of jeans is $10.50. Boy, that's a big difference from what? 609 and 300 something. We're now down to $10.50 a pair. I believe we can charge a reasonable price for our jeans now and expect to make a profit. But we have to make quite a few pairs before the average cost per pair comes down to a reasonable level. Well, let's see. Let's write that down. That C bar of 400 is $10.50, so the average cost per pair of jeans is $10.50 when we make 400 pairs. And let's see what happens when we go to 800 now. We make 800 pairs of jeans. Do we expect the cost of jeans to go down per pair? So our C bar of 800 equals 800 times 9 plus 600 divided by 800. C bar of 800 turns out to be 9.75, which implies that the average cost per pair is $9.75 when we manufacture 800 pairs of jeans. And then C bar of 2,000. Well, we'll say 9 times 2,000 plus 600 divided by the total number of jeans is 2,000. And we get 930. That means the average cost per pair of jeans is $9.30. So we've gone down from $609 per pair to $9.30 per pair when we make 2,000 pairs. Well, that's good. If we can make and sell a bunch of jeans, our cost goes down per pair. Our cost overall goes up, but our cost per pair goes down. Therefore, we can sell them for less and probably make more money, right? Well, we have one more question we want to look at for this problem. What is the horizontal asymptote and what does it mean? So put back our C bar. It was what? 9x plus 600 divided by x. Well, we can rewrite this as 9x divided by x plus 600 over x if we like. Or we could look at lead term into lead term and see that it goes a constant number of times. Here we get 9 plus 600 divided by x. And we see that this is going to approach 0 as x goes to infinity because 600 cakes among an infinite amount of people would give me almost no cake. So my horizontal asymptote is going to be y, or in this case, C bar equals 9. What does that mean? Well, remember C bar stood for the average cost per pair of jeans. The average cost per pair of jeans is approaching $9. It will not get lower than $9, nor will it hit $9 straight on the head. But we know if we make enough jeans in one day, it'll be almost $9 per pair of jeans per day. And that helps us decide how we're going to set our price to the consumer. And that concludes this section on rational functions.